guess where we are?
You look like David Dobrik.
Who's got swag? Like it's like... This is what the room is looking like. The absolute chaos. Packing is it's going. It's stressful. I'm running around. Just had a birthday party and I have to clean that up as well. But this is a disaster.
Mine is light.
Should I do like the intro now? Hi guys, we're going to Toronto and it's gonna be Swaggers and we're gonna meet the friend from Saskatchewan that doesn't actually exist, so we're gonna see her slightly transparent the entire trip. I literally drank 3 cans of sparkling water.
Drank spicy water last night.
We are the train. That's beeping for us.
Wait, what? Never been on a train before?
Never been on a train before. Wow, a bunch of trains. What you got there?
I honestly forgot what it was called.
The
Kiwi banana extravaganza bonanza.
pineapple too? Something like that. We're on another train. We're going to the airport to meet Chloe. We're going backwards too. I look like David Dobrik.
Yeah, I know.
Hello?
Hi, guess where we are? Stop kicking me. Stop.
No.
Yeah, he's kicking me.
No.
He's kicking me.
I'm kicking you.
I'm not sure if I'll make it.
19.
She's bleeding
We're
now.
older than me. Stop hitting each other.
Nope. Nope. We're actually 12 at heart.
In theory, you should be here.
In theory.
I've been
You look like David
around
Dobrik.
this area of the
Stop
airport like
saying
4
that.
times.
He's like seeing the chair and
Yep.
Is it really fun? Is it? I'm just trying to be a little bit controversial. This is so bad. Vibe check. He's getting naked snaps from his boyfriends. Getting naked snaps from his boyfriend. Not in this household, you don't. Yeah. You have to switch it to like the load, and then you push it in to change where it's at, and then you pull it out. It's one of those like old ones, and then it has like a thing. It's cool. It's over here. What's a vlog? I'm being cringe. What's the plan today? We're getting groceries today. And there's a McDonald's. So we can get McDonald's for breakfast. I just stay. I need more socks. You both have toes.
What's this, huh? What's this?
They're bullying me.
Yeah, try to toast the
Doing?
world.
Why are you guys not in frame? So we're gonna get groceries, and then we're gonna eat first, and then we're gonna get groceries, and then we're gonna Uber back, and then we're gonna unpack the groceries, and then we're gonna finish doing the laundry because the Airbnb cleaning people didn't. I'm not excited.
comment down below if you're a roasted vegetable.
I'm a roasted vegetable girly.
They won't let me get. They won't let me get these, but I want them really, really bad.
No.
No.
But I want them.
Stop.
Whoa.
We don't need them.
But they're so cute.
They're ridiculous.
We're back with groceries, and I totally didn't. No plastic bags. No plastic bags. Just aesthetic. Just aesthetic girly bags.
There's one where he like slaps the meat subconsciously.
Oh, see, he is sexist.
I'm not sexist. That was a male chicken.
Sure it was.
What it said. They were
You're gonna prey upon little boys instead.
Yeah.
And then a quick. This shot is so cursed. I hate it.
It's dinner time!
What?
We leave it on for 15 minutes. Like, it's like...
Please send me some. Ew. What is this slime? Gays into space? I don't think they would like it there.
Who's gays? The gays.
Why are you weird? I have asthma.
I feel ready to slay another day.
You look great. I like it. I don't think he's gonna buy it.
Probably not.
Dang it.
What is it?
It's good.
I just got back from the mall
Okay, and?
and they're debating on what we should do. He's talking to his girlfriend again.
No, I'm talking to Marie.
Your girlfriend.
Marie's my girlfriend?
I need 400 to do a webinar. That's too many.
We're on train.
According to Pokemon Go, it's raining. This is my weather app now.
Vlog.
Goose got swag. This has been...
How'd you even see that this is a piano? You're so short.
Yeah, take a here. I'll take you a picture for you guys. Pull down like this. Go with that all the way around. So you go up, pull this out like this, and then you pull the other one out. Boom. And you eat from the top.
I like it.
Hey.
You don't got very pretty nails.
Yeah.
They're kind of wretched.
forced feeling where you're puking nothing.
Pokemon! And your eyes change color. I know what you are. Say it. Out loud. Say it. Vampire.
A vampire. At Canada's Wonderland, you too can ride an antique carousel.
Take time. You say good things take time, don't you, girl? Waste time. You don't wanna waste time, don't you, girl?
This is the intermission clip.
It's like frozen solid.